Welcome to Blue Level Math Club. Today we're going to try some games and activities to see if Math Club is a good fit for you. Our first game that we're going to play is called Movement Multiple Choice. For this game, we're going to get up out of our seats and get standing, and we're going to show our answers with movements. Multiple choice is a game where you have multiple options when you're choosing an answer. Instead of showing your answer using your voice or choosing a letter to go with the answer, you're going to show a movement for your answer. All right, let's get standing. All right. As you can see, there are 4 letters on the screen. You have the letter A, the letter B, the letter C, and the letter D. There is a movement that goes along with each of these letters. Can you show me the movement that goes along with the letter A? Movement that goes along with the letter A is squats. So you can show me some squats. Great job. What about the movement that goes along with the letter B? What does that look like to you? High knees. All right, great job. How about the movement that goes with the letter C? Windmills. All right, let's do some windmills. And lastly, what is the movement that goes along with the letter D? Jumping jacks. All right, let's do some jumping jacks. Great job practicing the moves. Now we're going to look at a slide that has a question that's about getting to know each other a little bit more and practicing multiple choice. Let's check it out. Okay, so you're going to choose the answer that is right for you. You're going to show your answer with a movement. So A, I have a dog. B, I have a cat. C, I have a dog and a cat. D, I have neither. Can you show me the move that goes with the answer that's right for you? A, I have a dog. B, I have a cat. C, I have a dog and a cat. D, I have neither. I'm going to do jumping jacks because I don't have a dog or a cat. So I'm choosing D, jumping jacks. Which movement is right for you? Squats, high knees, windmills, or jumping jacks? Great job. All right, let's try another. Whoa, if you were to go to the amusement park, which one of these rides would you like to choose? A, the roller coaster. B, the Ferris wheel. C, bumper cars. Or D, merry-go-round. I'm going to choose C, bumper cars. Which ride would you like to try? All right, great job practicing multiple choice. Now we're going to do 2 math questions together. You're going to show me your answer with a movement, just like you did for these first 2 slides. Let's look at what we have. Okay, our first question is asking, how many sides? Do you recognize this shape? How many sides does this shape have? You can show me A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, or D, 4. How many sides does this shape have? If you need more time to think about it, you can pause the video here. Otherwise, you can show me your movement. All right, let's check out the answer. The answer is D, jumping jacks. That shape is called a square and it has 4 sides. All right, let's try another. Sal has 4 snakes. If he gets 5 more snakes, how many will he have? Wonder what kind of problem this is. Sal has 4 snakes. If he gets 5 more snakes, how many will he have? You can show me A, squats, B, high knees, C, windmills, or D, jumping jacks. Which number do you think is the correct answer? If you need more time, you can pause the video here. All right, let's check it out. The answer is A, 9. So we would have done the movement of squats. If Sal had 4 snakes and he got 5 more, that is 9 altogether. That's an addition problem. You can use your fingers for addition. You can use mental math. Did you get the answer 9? All right, let's move on to our next activity. We can go ahead and take a seat. Great job with movement multiple choice. Our next activity is called counting fingers. For this activity, all you're going to need are your 2 hands. Before we get started with this activity, can you show me the number 2 using your fingers? Great, the number 2 looks like this. Can you show me the number 6 using your fingers? 5 and 1, awesome job. The number 6 looks like this. Can you show me the number 8 using your fingers? Eight, great job. So for this activity, we're going to learn about breaking numbers down and using our 2 hands to show numbers in different ways. Let's check it out. So we're going to start with 2 fists. Show me 3 using 2 hands. So we're not doing 3 just on 1 hand. How can we show 3 using 2 hands? And we don't want to do 3 and 3 because how many is that altogether? That equals 6. So how can we split these 3 fingers up between 2 hands? Let's see the different ways we can do it. All right, for 3, there's only one way to show our answer using 2 hands. We can do 2 and 1. That makes 3. You could also do 2 and 1 the other way. Why don't you try that? 2 and 1. Great job. Let's try another. Reset. Show me 5 using 2 hands. So we're not going to do just 5 on 1 hand. How can we use 2 hands to show 5? There's a few ways to do this. If you need more time, you can pause the video here. All right, let's look at the different ways to make 5 using 2 hands. You can do 4 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. You can also do 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Did you choose either of these 2 ways to make 5? All right, let's try another. Reset. Show me 7 using 2 hands. Now, you can do the way that you would normally do 7, which is 5 and 2. Can you think of another way to do 7 using 2 hands? If you need more time, you can pause the video here. Let's check out the different ways you can make 7 using 2 hands. So you can do 5 plus 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, or you could do 4 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That also makes 7. Did you choose either of these 2 ways? Great job. Okay, we're going to move on to our next activity. You did an awesome job with counting fingers. This activity is called Splat, and I'm going to need your help for this one. And I'll tell you how I'll need your help in just a moment. First, I would like you to count how many candles do you see? If you need more time, you can pause the video here. Okay, how many candles did you see? Let's go ahead and see if you got it right. 10. There are 10 candles altogether. Great counting. Now, this is where I need your help. We're going to rub our hands together, and on the count of 3, we're going to go splat. And there's going to be a splat that covers up some of the candles, but not all of them. So let's do it. We can rub our hands together. 1, 2, 3, splat. Now we only see some of the candles. Can you count how many candles you see? How many candles do you count that you can still see? Okay, so if we had 10 to begin with, how many do you think are under the splat? If you need more time, you can pause the video here. Okay, let's check out our answer. Answer is 2. So we had 10 candles to start, and then we only saw 8. So that means 10 minus 2 is 8. We found the difference between 10 and 8, which is 2. Great job. Let's try another. Okay, how many backpacks do you see? You can count the backpacks. If you need more time, you can pause the video here. All right, how many backpacks did you count? 7. There are 7 backpacks altogether. Great counting. Okay, let's get ready for our next splat. We can rub our hands together. 1, 2, 3, splat. Oh, wow. How many backpacks do you see now? How many are not covered by the splat? That's right. There's 1 backpack not covered by the splat. So if you can remember, we started with 7, and now we only see 1. How many backpacks do you think are under the splat? Need more time? You can pause the video here. All right, let's check out our answer. There were 6 backpacks under the splat. Great job! We started with 7, and then we only had 1 left. So to get from 7 to 1, we had to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1, or 1 plus 6 equals 7. Great job! Thank you so much for joining our free Math Club preview. You did such a great job today. We are excited to see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.